it's Kate with WTI, and I wanted to tell you about my K Plus Supreme coffee maker. If you're like me, you start your day with a nice cup of coffee. It sets things right, and I am so pleased with this coffee maker. So some of the things that set this apart from anything I've had before is that it's very customizable. So it's got all kinds of sizes, all the way up to 12 ounce. So for whatever size your cup is, you can choose how strong you want it. So there's 3 different levels. You can also choose how hot you want it, which is so strange to me, but it's pretty awesome. So you have 3 levels for that as well. There's a pour over ice option. And the best part is that it has a huge reservoir, so you do not have to continually refill this with water. And you can brew 1 cup after another, so you do not have to wait for the water to heat up in between cups. So cool if you're 2 people wanting to have coffee. Mine is in the really beautiful silver. It's sleek, it's very modern. It looks fantastic on your coffee bar. It accommodates both K-cups, but also I have this awesome insert where I can use my own coffee grinds. So I think that's really great. You can program this for 3 people. It doesn't get better. So if you're looking for a coffee maker to make your mornings even sweeter, then I think you're gonna love this one, and that's my point of view.